Hello dear students. So again today we are going to continue our very important chapter, okay, that is of preparation of laser. So now today we are going to learn how we can make any kind of laser. So here we have a question, okay. By the using of all these questions we have to prepare our first we have to prepare our generals, then after we have to prepare our lasers. So today it's our first lecture, so today I'm not going to explain you each and every transactions. So out of these we will take some transactions, just like 4 or 5 transactions, and with that we will continue our discussion. So let's start. So first, before the starting off, according to the transactions, we have to prepare our journal entry. So our first transaction, that is purchase goods from Rita on credit, amount rupees 20,000. So according to this transaction, we have to pass our journal entry. So maybe possible you all are aware about the transactions. So you can guess your answer, that is of purchase account debit to Rita's account. Okay, always we have to debit our purchase account and we have to credit the giver. And in this question, Rita, she is giver, so that's why we have to credit her, so that we can check. Yes, purchase account debit to Rita's account. According to the transactions, we have to note down our narration, and that is being goods purchased. Okay, so on the basis of given journal entry, we have to find out number of accounts, number of lasers, which we have to prepare on the basis of this transaction. So here we have to prepare these two transaction lasers. First is purchase account and second one is Rita's account. So clear? On the basis of journal, on the basis of transaction, first we have to prepare our journal entry, then after we have to find out the number of lasers which we have to open. So here we are going to prepare our purchase account. So before the starting of this, we must be aware about the format. So here we have purchase account, and here you can see you have to write date, then particular, then amount. Again all these three heads will repeat it. Now on the right hand side, that is of date, particular and amount. So left hand side, this side is called debit side and right hand side is called credit side. So first you have to check in the in this transaction we are going to prepare purchase account. Okay, so we have to check in that transaction purchase is debited or not. So here we are going to prepare purchase account. So in this transaction purchase account has been debited, okay, because we are going to prepare purchase account. So here first, while preparing laser, we have to put the title purchase account and we have to check our transactions. Purchase account debited. So if purchase account has debited, then we have to find out the reason why it has, what was the reason. So in this transaction we can check Rita was the reason. Okay, Rita was the reason because of the purchase. So that's why we have to write this transaction in the debit side of purchase account. Purchase account debited, it means we have to record that transaction in the debit side of purchase account. Debit side, it means left hand side. So but what we have to write in the column of date, we have to put the date, that is of 3rd of April, and in the column of particular we have to write the reason, we have to write the source, and source is Rita's. So here we have to write like this: 1st April 3 to Rita's account, and in the column of amount simply we have to write. Okay, it was the purchase account. Now next we have to prepare Rita's account. So same transaction is there, same, everything is same. In the place of purchase account we have to write Rita's account. Okay, here columns will be same: date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Here you can check, we are going to prepare Rita's account. So Rita, she has debited or credited in this transactions. First we have to find out of that. So whenever you will prepare Rita's account, that you can check in the journal entry Rita is credited. So it means this transaction we have to record in the credit side, it means in the right hand side. Okay, right hand side, in the column of date we have to write 3rd April. In the column of particular we have to write the reason why Rita has credited. she has credited just because of purchase. So we have to write like this: April 3rd by purchase account. So once when you will record anything, write anything, now in the debit side we have to write two words, and in the credit side we have to use by words. Okay, because by represents debit. Okay, so it was our first transaction, and on the basis of first transaction we have passed two different entries. So here we have all these four transactions. First one that we have already discussed, and on the basis of first we have already prepared our ledgers. So now next we have goods sold to Rohit. So here we can see first journal entry, goods sold to Rohit, dated April 6. So you can imagine, you can check your answer. So your answer will be Rohit's account debit to sales account. Yes, Rohit account debit to sales account, amount rupees 25,000, and as a narration we can write being goods sold. Again here we have to prepare Rohit's account, and second one is of sales account. So let's prepare first Rohit's account. Okay, here you can see first we have to prepare Rohit's account. Same columns will be there: date, particulars, amount. Date, particulars, amount, there is nothing. So same again, whatever things we have did in our past transaction, that we have to repeat here once again. So here once when you will prepare Rohit's account, first we have to check in this transaction Rohit is debited or credited. So that you can see here in this transaction Rohit's account has been debited. So here first we have to write the heading of ledger, that is Rohit's account, and Rohit is debited. Then we have to check why Rohit has been debited. Okay, the reason is sales account. So we have to write this transaction in the debit side of Rohit's account, but at that time we have to write there to sales account, and always we used to write this word to sales, two word we used to write in the debit side. So here again in the column of date we have to write April 6 to sales account, and in the column of amount we have to write amount. By mistake I have written there 20,000, but you have to consider it as 25,000. Okay, then after next transaction was same, but on the basis of this transaction we have to prepare sales account. So now we have to put this heading sales account, and in the transaction we have to check sales, that is debited or credited. So here you can see sales has been credited to sales account, it means credit of sales account. Okay, so just put the heading. So if sales account is credited, it means we have to record this transaction in the credit side of sales book. So we are going to record this transaction in the credit side of sales book. So we have to find out the reason why we have to write it. So this transaction will appear in the sales book credit side by Rohit's account, because Rohit has been debited amount rupees 20,000. So that you can correct. Next transaction we have received cash from Rohit. So we are receiving cash, that's why cash account we have to debit and we have to credit Rohit's account. As a narration we can write being cash received from Rohit. Okay, after making this entry we have to find out number of accounts to be open. So cash account and Rohit's account, these two accounts we have to open. As cash, that we have to open, and Rohit's account that we have already opened in the previous transaction. So what we have to do? So first we are going to prepare cash account. So according to the transaction you have to check in this transaction cash is debited or credited. So as you can see cash account has been debited. So once when you will prepare cash account, first we have to put the heading as cash account as a cash ledger. Then we have to check cash is debited or credited. So you can see cash is debited. So here we have to find out the reason why cash is debited. What is the reason? So this transaction we have to write in the debit side of cash account. So once when you will record it in the debit side it means your left hand side. So there we have to mention the reason. It means to